This is Blizzard 2016, and this is Mugen in the backyard dealing with the snow. At least one of us isn't bothered by it. Mugen is wearing a sweater, a coat, and booties. Don't mind her going potty. Whoop, almost dropped her leash. Here, Mugen, Mommy cleared out a spot for you. In the meantime, I got a ton of snow in my pants. Mugen. Mugen. Oh, she found a spot. Okay, cool. Mugen, come here, look. I cleared out a spot on the ground. First world dog problems. Can't find a spot to poop in the cold. Where are you going? You can't go anywhere without your leash. Stay. Mugen. Hey, Mugen. Wait. Good girl. Alrighty. There you go. Now that you're back on your leash. Good girl. Whew. You ready to go inside now? Or are you still playing in the snow? You all set?
I just wanted in there where we're going to walk, you know?
Okay, you happy now? You got to see Daddy? You ready to go back inside? Okay, go back. You want me to get you some hot chocolate or coffee, hon?